Caustic soda, solids, liquids, flakes or pearls, a lucrative manufacturing opportunity. Hey entrepreneurs and aspiring industrialists. Today, we are diving into a high-demand, essential product, caustic soda. Caustic soda may not seem luxurious, but it's an essential component in numerous sectors. We'll delve into the reasons why launching a business in caustic soda production could be a wise decision. However, it's vital to conduct comprehensive research prior to embarking on this venture. Why caustic soda? It's everywhere. First off, caustic soda is incredibly versatile. It comes in various forms: solids, liquids, flakes, and pearls, each with its own industrial applications. This stuff is used in pulp and paper production, makes paper smoother and stronger. Textile manufacturing processes fabrics and dyes. Soap and detergent production, a key ingredient in many cleaning products. Water treatment neutralizes acidity and removes impurities. Aluminum production extracts aluminum from its ore. That's just a fraction of its uses. Caustic soda is an essential part of countless industries. Consistent demand, steady profits. Given the widespread reliance of numerous sectors on caustic soda, it consistently maintains a robust market presence. This results in steady demand and the possibility of significant profit margins. Consider the advantage of offering a product that is universally required, ensuring dependable sales. Multiple markets, multiple opportunities. The allure of caustic soda lies in its diversity. By creating various forms, it's possible to serve distinct sectors effectively. Cater to the needs of large-scale businesses with bulk liquid options, or tailor your offerings to niche markets through unique flake or pearl formulations. This broadens your customer base and reduces reliance on any single industry. Innovation is key. The industry surrounding caustic soda is in a state of continuous change. Innovations in environmental regulations and industrial methodologies present chances for the creation of production techniques that are either more efficient or more environmentally friendly. Positioning your business as a leader in adopting these innovations can provide a considerable advantage. Alright, enough hype. What's the catch? Now, caustic soda is a powerful chemical. Setting up a manufacturing plant requires a significant investment in equipment, safety measures, and adhering to strict environmental regulations. It's not a walk in the park. Benefits and advantages. Recurring revenue. Caustic soda is a consumable product, meaning consistent demand and repeat business from established clients. Scalability. You can start by producing a specific form for a particular industry and gradually expand your operations based on market needs. Investment, a reality check. Here's the not so glamorous part. Setting up a caustic soda plant requires significant capital. Plant or machinery, estimated investment, $34 million total project cost, estimated cost, $66 million. These are hefty figures, underlining the need for a comprehensive business plan, securing funding, and conducting a thorough market feasibility study. Market outlook, India and global stage. The Indian caustic soda market is projected to witness significant growth due to infrastructure development and expanding manufacturing sectors. The global market is expected to rise steadily, driven by increasing demand from industries like pulp or paper and aluminum production. While the potential rewards are significant, so are the risks. Caustic soda production involves stringent regulations for safety and environmental impact. Do your due diligence? Conclusion: weighing the options. Producing caustic soda presents a steady and promising venture. Its market demand is robust, it has varied uses, and there's scope for creative advancements. However, it's important to note that entering this field comes with its complexities, including significant initial investment and stringent regulatory requirements. For entrepreneurs eager to tackle a challenging opportunity and establish a reliable enterprise, caustic soda production could be an ideal choice. Yet, it's crucial to conduct thorough research, comprehend the potential pitfalls, and devise a meticulous strategy before diving in.